punishment. I go banish you from this show, maybe like, no come here in 1 week. If person just won't move according to the music small, easy go just do that clap, make it not be like, say, he just off the music, oh. Say, you know, he go just use that clap, then he go just off the music inside the clap. Person don't even enjoy music, even if na 30 seconds small. Just, you know, to dance a little bit, you know, on a Wednesday night. The organizer say I'm those things, but maybe on bouquet it's not fair. Anyway, now welcome back on Top Night Show. Today na Wednesday, na Katim and DJ IzyBeatz inside show. People don't send us message onto that wristwatch or that monitor, that wall clock. Wait and see when we take talk. Somebody say, Keith Adams and say, if not me, I no go take them because I don't understand them at all. As easy talk, na assignments now. He say, Francis Uche say, the watch now for people when they retake WAEC and JAM plenty times. In fact, Ingo recommend them for students and receipters. You they talk like say you don't do this receipt before. So otherwise, Katim, you look funny. I want to say that I look funny, Kedie. What does that mean? With my classes. Anyway, now make we enter the cocoa of the matter today. Stand by. On our telephone, we go open, as soon as we just talk this topic finish, we go open the phone line. Then you go tell us what these girls supposed to do. And whether this man get the right to ask this kind of question when they ask the woman. What's happen now? Now, one man and one woman, then be boyfriend and girlfriend, they don't follow themselves 7 years. Don't ask me why they stay in tail like that 7 years. I don't understand why man could follow woman 7 years and I never marry. If I follow myself 7 years, 9% I don't marry already now, there's no big deal. So okay, I was 7 years. What are you doing with this person in 7 years? Family. Anyway, Collins and Tola be friends. And then Collins and in Madam Mabel, they follow themselves 7 years. What thing can happen? Be say, Mabel can look this Collins say, he get as this Collins they do these days. It be like saying they run program outside. Say make him enter CIA mode, he enter detective mode as usual. Anyway, where Collins go, she go enter motor follow. Now he can say, you know, say every man must get that one close friend. Like Nedu now, Nedu and Efe be like 5 and 6. You see, but I don't know about you, but maybe on bucket that some people Kemos, let's say Kemos and Kesolo, they are like 5 and 6. And there must be somebody like Tola now, Tola and Benga are 5 and 6. So I near some kind of people that person must stay close to you like 5 and 6. So maybe I'll go outside now. I see in the program, he say making enter CIA mode. He see her husband with this in friend Tola. Collins and Tola. He said, no be Tola when they come our house, no be Tola when they enter kitchen, they cook for him, no be Tola when be like him brother, like him husband, like him boyfriend brother. So when they can't see him with one other program, they can't see the program. Maybe I'll say, he look the program, he can't discover, say, he can't do her research on top of this girl, can't discover, say, her name na Ivy. When Mabel enter motor, drive back house, he go wait for the Tola for outside. As Tola, they come back in own house. She come out from motor. Come the face for Tola, say, Tola, you. I don't believe say na you. You when you come house, no matter the time when you come house, I will bend over backward to do anything for you to make sure you dey comfortable. I know if you believe say you fit do me like this, even after you don't know say me and Collins don't dey together for 7 years. How you go do me? Maybe I'll come they cry. You say how you will know say Collins they run parole outside. You no tell me say now so Collins. Now so Tola come vex say I beg no vex. Say please, you know say na you and they take you like my sister. See wetin happen. Tola come break down, come tell Mabel everything what happen. Come tell Mabel say, no tell your boyfriend, say na me tell you, make you no be say, na me want put sand for Ngari. Mabel clean eye, say okay, no problem. Mabel come reach house, as instead detective mode, Mabel sit down house, they wait for Collins, make Collins come back. As Collins come back, she on lights, she sit down, they say we need to talk. He can't talk, they talk to Collins, they cry inside the talk. Collins quiet. Collins say, okay. Say make she no vex. Say in they very sorry. Say this thing don't they in body since in don't they try to break this can be like spirit off to go outside since. In fact, in say make them marry. Say as this thing don't happen like this, maybe in a sign, make them settle
they
down.
Live the old
together.
life. Yeah.
After all, they don't follow themselves for what? 7 years. Colin say no fake. So Mabel, I'm very sorry. Oh, this thing it no go happen again. Yours be my prayer partner. Yours help me so that this thing go come on my body. Finish. Collins can't ask this question. As he beg Mabel finish, he can't ask Mabel a question. He say, Mabel, for us to continue this thing and to move ahead in this marriage, I want to just ask you one question. who tell you this thing, whether they follow Ivy or not? Now in Collins, they ask Mabel. He say he want know who tell Mabel in girlfriend this thing, say in they follow Ivy. Meanwhile, the person will tell Mabel, tell her say, make in no mention in name, as per they be 5 and 6, in no one spoil the friendship. Wetin Mabel go do? It's as simple as that. Number one, if you be Mabel, you go tell them who give you this inside info. And number two, this Collins guy, he get the right to even ask Mabel this kind of question, as he be say, na him then catch inside program. So na 2 in 1 question. Muna think I'm very well, and then Muna stay from una telephone call. Oh yeah, begin the call us. Stephen. The disciple call Stephen. Hello?
Hello?
Stephen, Anna.
I don't find you. How you doing?
Stephen, yo. How is things?
Now, what? This is why you call me sound like this today.
Thank a lot. Not talent.
Where my brother Nidu?
Leave Nedu now. Don't tell you say Nedu with the cook Nedu with the bleach am. It's okay. Nedu they work in progress. With the bleach am, he dey for house, one inside one basin like that. So where you go?
I don't tune in now. So I don't tune in now. I know that's why I call to support.
Okay, so you don't hear what we talk about?
Yes, I don't tune in now. So I don't be.
Oh yeah, tune out now.
Stay tuned. No, stay tuned.
Just tune out.
No, stay
just
tuned.
listen.
Stay tuned.
Just tune out and stay tuned. Make you just get idea what we talk about before you go now call back. Joseph from Calabar. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Hey, Joe, about it, yeah. So near the tank inside this thing.
Good evening.
We didn't hear you.
Joseph.
Hello.
Joseph. Oh, John Fire. Sorry, it's Joseph. John Fire. I want to you a television not on. So you might see telephone now. Move my TV so that you come in. TV might be on. You need to come and call. So that's the thing. When you call in, when you tell what I'm trying to say though, when you call into the program, off your TV, reduce the volume, pata. Otherwise, me and you not go fit hear ourselves inside this matter. So make we know who they call. Off your TV, call. Wetin we go do. Maybe Mabel go do. If you be Mabel, or if Mabel be your sister or your auntie, wetin you go advise and make him do. Make him tell Colin say Natola in bestie in 5 and 6. Now him give him this inside info. And for this Collins, myself, who be Collins? Wetin give Collins the right to even say, okay, Collins, say as person, he go ask you, say, I want to know who give you this info. But you don't talk, say, okay, you did sorry, say they don't catch you. Why you can't want to know who give him this information?
Probably, maybe he won't know because of, say, so that make them just die the whole matter. Yes, now.
No, now. You don't come, they don't catch you. You program yourself. Now you fall into the program.
I call it a catch.
I'm from Lokoja. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, hello. Good evening.
Ahmed, down now. Good evening.
Good evening, Catherine. You look pretty this evening.
Thank a lot. Thank you. It's my talent.
Okay, now your talent, Bill.
No, my talent. Special talent.
Okay.
What do you advise Mabel, Tola, and this other Collins?
Well, if not me, nothing will make me tell the guy who tell me. Even if it means maybe make he end the relationship. But right now, you don't even get the right to talk, say, go continue or anything.
But,
I mean, is it crazy?
I don't know.
I mean, it's being offensive rather than being defensive.
Crazy.
So, if not me be the girl,
yes,
I don't go tell him. If he like, he has to.
Hello?
Yeah, Ahmed.
But she...
Don't disappear.
He must go with the condition with me I go give him. Because right now, you're on the front foot. Don't allow yourself to be put on the back foot.
You are too much, oh.
Yes.
But she like the guy now. She wants to make the relationship work out. She won't make it continue well.
The relationship must continue now. I mean, right now, if the girl no get brain, fish brain, she must stand her ground.
Hey, Ahmed, I like the way he talk and very quiet,
See
straight
the way
to
I
the
met
point.
he talk am, so
But I
it
may say
makes
he
sense.
no go. I may say he ready to sacrifice in relationship with the Collins. If not
Okay.
him be Mabel.
Okay.
Say
so,
he no go mention say na tell
okay, so at the end of the day, you no go mention Natola and I tell you. Then what won't happen if you not talk to Natola?
He say make Mabel Sojina say Collins no get the right. As per you don't catch inside. Collins don't get the right to say
if
okay.
she not tell him, should they cause more yawa or should they solve yawa?
No, he get as he go tell and say no, that one no be, you know, necessary now. Make the no say that one no be any big deal. I say I'm going to say I'm a talk. We say inside this matter where they catch Collins. Collins see they get mouth. Say normally Collins take me ma.
Collins don't apologize now. He don't apologize. Say, okay, see, I did very sorry. You understand? Everything when I don't do, I accept my, my faults. I accept, I just apologize now. Forgive me. You understand? Of which Muku no get any misunderstanding again. So now we see the matter don't be like this. But I just want to be like, hey, this issue die. May not rise again. Who clear you this matter?
You, if like okay, now you they talk like Collins.
No.
Wait, now you they talk like Collins. Okay, now may we switch. If you be Mabel,
Yes.
you go tell Collins.
Well,
whose son should this gist? You go tell Collins.
More listen to people's opinion first before I go talk my own opinion.
You know they had your Benin brother. They call hello.
Hello.
What girl? How now, Stella?
Yeah, I'm fine. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah.
You don't
I'm
see IzyBeatz.
enjoying your program right here in Benin.
Because of your brother. You don't see your brother IzyBeatz.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, greet her.
Doing very good work.
Yeah,
hello.
Thank you. Stella, good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine. Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're doing a great job.
Thank you.
You're making us proud here in Benin City.
Thank you.
Hey, now, you don't claim IzyBeatz as your family now.
It's my family now.
It's okay. All of us be one family.
You're looking colorful.
Yeah, me.
Katim, you're looking colorful.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you. So it's
You're
my talent, my
beautiful,
sister.
yes.
Even me.
Yes. You know what?
Uh-uh.
I don't think that woman
Maybe.
to tell the man, the person when he tell him that thing.
Okay.
Because that man don't be serious person at all. He's not a serious man. I don't know if you understand me.
But the man say, say they don't agree, say they won't marry now when, this thing
So
won't
hell
happen.
with marriage. The man not serious.
Yeah,
You
auntie.
shouldn't tell him.
You shouldn't. Okay.
You shouldn't tell him.
So you they talk say Collins no get the right at all to even ask that kind of question.
You don't get that right. Why you go do that kind of thing if you really love that girl?
Maybe he just want to know so that tomorrow he go know how to cover, that I'm
mind
just
now. The
talking.
guy that cheat.
Like,
Baby girl not tell him.
Okay, may I ask you now, this kind of thing not happened to you before or somebody where you know before?
Well, it happens every day. It's not new. It has never happened to me, but it happens every day.
No be new thing,
Now,
abi.
something where first you go take grow, and when you hear such things, you go either get experience for life. It's not a new thing.
Okay, so
That
if
man is not serious.
that man is not serious, abi.
Somewhere do from Benin, I need to tell you so.
My
that
sister,
man.
I believe you die. I believe you reach us. It's okay. Thank you so much, Stella. Stella say I'm from Edo State, my sister from Edo, and proudly
Tell you the
so.
truth, man.
She says she talks say nothing new under the sun.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.